Welcome back, design junkies, to mechanical engineering made simple. Today we are mastering the orchestration of force, time, and motion. Let's dive into the core mechanisms that drive our world. We begin with the kinematic skeleton. Any complex body can be replaced by an equivalent mechanism. By understanding follower motion as a function of rotation, we can simplify even the most complex designs. Next, the great cam debate, harmonic versus cycloidal. While simple harmonic cams are useful for low-speed applications, true cycloidal profiles offer vibration-free performance, making them ideal for high-speed, high-mass systems. When dealing with high loads, we have methods to hack the cycloid. The alt method improves velocity characteristics, while the wild method flattens acceleration peaks, which is essential for extreme performance requirements. However, we must face the manufacturing reality check. We must map our desired theoretical curves to physical constraints, whether that means machining circular cams, fixing slotted members, or cutting spiral grooves. Now let's master the toggle linkage. As the angle between links approaches 90 degrees, the mechanical advantage approaches infinity, limited only by material friction. Toggle linkages are everywhere, from the massive crushing force in stone crushers to the delicate snap action in a common toaster switch. It's all about leveraging position to multiply force. Understanding snap action requires looking at the physics of latches. It involves 3 steps: energy accumulation, reaching the critical level of unstable equilibrium, and the final, instantaneous release of potential energy. In power transmission, we compare friction drives like V-belts against positive drives like chains and gears. Friction drives absorb shock well, while positive drives provide exact phase synchronization. Engineers often use hybrid solutions to master extreme environments. Cogged belts combine the power of chains with the silence of rubber, and specialized steel architectures allow for synchronization in hostile conditions. Variable pitch transmissions, or CVTs, provide active load adjustment. Through a clever feedback loop using centrifugal force and internal cams, these systems can alter their pitch diameter in real time. Finally, remember the engineer's workbench. Brilliant design isn't just about isolated parts, it's about the elegant orchestration of energy. Master the critical few and keep learning.